Okay. Here we are going to do some exercises based on the first lesson of English, My Sweet Home. Okay, here we have some pictures and two different answers are given. So we need to choose the correct answer based on the picture. So make your child look at the picture first. Okay, who is there? What is the boy doing? Okay, so first picture, there is a boy. There is a pan with the dosa. So when we read the two sentences, it says too small to make dosa, too big to make dosa. So we can see the picture and tell the correct answer, which is the boy is too small to make dosa. So in the second picture, there is a boy who is trying to wear shirts, but the shirt what is wearing is too small. So based on the picture, we can conclude the answer is too big to wear his old shirt. And the third picture, a boy is trying to carry a baby. But based on the picture, we can come to the conclusion that the answer is too small to carry the baby. Okay, this is again a book back exercise wherein you have to fill in the missing letter. So you can see the picture, ask the child what it is, ask for the spelling which is missing and fill it in. So you have cot, you have shirt, you have baby. Okay, these are the sight words which have been taken from the lesson itself. Okay, so first thing what you have to do is you can take 5 sight words at a time, and when we say sight words, it is the child has to look at the word and say what it is. Okay, so here it goes. Give, then, for, just, take, much, or, saw, if, up, see, old. You are not supposed to split the word. It has to be the whole word. Okay, splitting the word comes only when the child is writing. When the child is writing, you can say much, much, take, take. This has to happen only when the child is writing. But otherwise, when the child reads, it has to be the whole word. Okay, there are some opposites in this lesson. So here they have given you big, small, tall, short, thick, thin. So there are pictures associated with it. So the tree is big, the plant is small, the boy is tall, the girl is short, the book is thick, the kite is thin. These are only some examples. So at home, you can get your own examples and show it to the kid. What is big, what is small, who is tall, who is short, what can be thick, what can be thin. At the same time, we have some fill in the blanks with using the same opposite. The elephant is big, the boy is tall, the book is thick, the rat is small, the girl is short, the kite is thin. So once the child learns all this, you can ask what is the opposite of big. The child can say the answer. What is the opposite of tall? What is the opposite of thick? Okay, this is the continuation of the opposites. Here you have two choices and there is a sentence. The shirt is small. Basically, the child has to recognize the correct picture. So, the shirt is small, the cot is big, the tree is tall, the ribbon is long, the rat is fat. So, make the child understand what it is and ask them to circle the correct option. Okay, now we are going to move on to the grammar. Here it is one and many, or we say it is singular and plural. And here is a small video on it.
One, more than one, by addition of s. Many nouns add s to show that there is more than one person, animal, thing or place. This is a cat. These are cats. This is a girl. These are girls. This is a school. These are schools. This is a pen. These are pens.
Okay, here there is one ball. When you add s to the ball, it becomes balls. So one ball, many balls. One apple, many apples. One cap, many caps. One dog, many dogs. One egg, many eggs. One frog, many frogs. One pig, many pigs. One hut, many huts. So it is basically to the noun you add yes and you are going to get your plural. Okay, here are more examples of one and many. So one pot, three pots. One cap, four caps. One bag, two bags. One pen, five pens. Okay, from the previous video, you might have seen that what is one and many, or what is singular and plural. So to a noun, if you add yes, it becomes plural. So here we have one cat, you have two vans, you have three cats, you have four sheep, you have one van, one ship. Okay, here are some blend words. Like you have clock and you have to circle the correct one. So they have given it as fill-ups. So choose the correct blend. So it has to be clear for the first one. So it's a clock. Fleur for the second one, it becomes flag. Br for the next one, it is brush. Dr for the drop. Then you have ending blends as well. So you have pond, then you have nest, then it is a gift, then it is pink,